Hi guys, I got a new part in Suzuki Swift, and that is a deal that I purchased during the Black Friday craziness, and it is a universal part, so not specifically for the Suzuki Swift, so let's hope it fits. But it is let's put it here, a harness bar. I don't know if you can see it. So I went for the smallest one that I could find, because the Swift is around 118 centimeters between the seat belts, and I went for this type. I don't know if you guys know, but you have generally two different types of harness bars. You have the U-shaped ones, and these are the shorter ones, which I visually like a little bit better. And I'm going to see if this one fits. So in the package here is some hardware. These are the bars that should hold the seat belt part up. So you put these on the sides, and it looks pretty nice, I must say. I went for a black one. This is a BLOX Racing part, just so you guys know. And I think you can adjust the length here with this. And there's some a nice part here that you can move around a bit for a nice fit, which feels nice and subtle. Finish is pretty good. I went for a black one, the most subtle. I think this model comes in black and silver. I was in doubt a little bit, but went for black in the end, and I could always respray if I want to. And let's just have a look at the end links here. There they are. So these are the parts that come left and right. There you go. So I think this one should go in here. You guys can see. And then this connects to where the top of the seat belt is for the passenger and driver side. Yeah, so let's see if this is going to fit. It looks pretty nice, I must say. Like I said, it's a universal part, and I mean, in the end this is just a steel bar, so that's not too excited, but nothing exciting. But it looks pretty good. It looks pretty solid. It's pretty heavy. But it has to be very strong, obviously. But yeah, I'm going to see if this is fitting, and hopefully it does, and then it's time for mounting it. But yeah, this is my latest pickup, so I can hope to finish this project, and then I can move to a 4-point harness. So guys, I have been fiddling around with this harness bar for a while now, and I think that I've come to the conclusion that on the original points, this harness bar is not going to fit the Suzuki Swift. If you look over here, that is, maybe you can see it better like this, there's a way too big of a distance to be able to fit, so that's a real shame. And I'm going to try an alternative mounting point, which is the lower bolt you can see there, the lowest bolt below the regular seatbelt frame. Maybe I can win a couple of centimeters and maybe it fits then, but otherwise I'm afraid that I have to return this because it's not working. So keep you updated. So take two, and what I did now is I mounted the harness bar at the base point of the mechanism that is holding the seat belt up, so that should be super strong as well. And as you can see, it actually lines up very nicely now. And this means I have to do some cutting in the original trims, because I'm going to put that back. I like a tidy interior. But I think I can make this work. And this is just a test fit, so I have to fix everything properly, align it, make sure this is actually level. I think it's pretty close, but just to be sure, getting all the spacers, and I probably will buy some hardware that is better fitting as well. But look at this stuff, this is pretty good, right? I actually don't know if this thing needs to be on the outside or on the inside. I think it should be as straight as possible, so I will probably mount it on the outside. But if you guys know how that works, let me know, since there was no manual with this one. But yeah, look at this stuff, guys. It's pretty good, right? It's pretty good, pretty good. So I'm happy with this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to step out of the car. And yes, I know it is a mess, but bear with me here. But look at this, this is pretty good stuff. And if you look to the angle of the seat belts, this is going to be perfect as well. It's keeping the seat belts up very nicely. My seats are moved backwards a lot now, so I probably have some space, but this is a very good stuff, I think. So I'm actually happy, because I was terrified that this thing would not fit, but I think this is going to work. So and how does it look? Let me know. Do you like these, guys? See you in the next video.